This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, power-adjustable driver pedals, high-intensity headlights, a voice-activated entertainment system, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, an integrated tailgate step, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Five Star Ford of Plano is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4400 West Plano Parkway in Plano.